Hello, today you will learn about
Bonjour à tous et à toutes.
In this video we are going to learn how to conjugate the verb
Pouvoir.
which means to be able to in 5 different tenses in French. In English it also means can. It is an irregular verb and does not follow the rule of conjugation. Let's have a look at the present tense of
Pouvoir.
We are going to say I can or I am able to. So in present tense,
Je peux.
I can or I am able to.
Tu peux.
You can or you are able to.
Il peut.
He can or he is able to.
Elle peut.
She can or she is able to.
On peut.
One can or one is able to. Or it also means, we can or we are able to. We use it for informal.
Nous pouvons.
We can or we are able to.
Vous pouvez.
You can or you are able to.
Ils peuvent.
They can or they are able to.
Elles peuvent.
They can or they are able to. Now let's have a look at passé composé.
J'ai pu.
I have been able to or I was able to.
Tu as pu.
You have been able to or you were able to.
Il a pu.
He has been able to or he was able to.
Elle a pu.
She has been able to or she was able to.
On a pu.
One has been able to or one was able to.
Nous avons pu.
We have been able to or we were able to.
Vous avez pu.
You have been able to or you were able to.
Ils ont pu.
They have been able to or they were able to.
Elles ont pu.
They have been able to or they were able to. Passé composé is used to talk about completed actions or events that occurred at a specific point in the past. Let's have a look at
Imparfait.
It describes actions or states that were ongoing, habitual or repeated in the past. Let's see how to conjugate. To make imperfect tense in French we take the stem of present tense,
Nous.
form and we add the special imperfect endings.
Est, yon, yi, est. Je pouvais.
I was able to.
Tu pouvais.
You were able to.
Il pouvait.
He was able to.
Elle pouvait.
She was able to.
On pouvait.
One was able to or we were able to. It is used for informal.
Nous pouvions.
We were able to.
Vous pouviez.
You were able to.
Il pouvait.
They were able to.
Elle pouvait.
They were able to. Let's look at the future tense of this verb. In order to form future tense in French we need to know the stem of the verb and the endings. The stem of this verb is
Pour.
and the future endings are
Et, a, on, s, z, on.
Let's see how to conjugate this verb in this tense.
Je pourrai.
I will be able to.
Tu pourras.
You will be able to.
Il pourra.
He will be able to.
Elle pourra.
She will be able to.
On pourra.
One will be able to. Or we will be able to.
Nous pourrons.
We will be able to.
Vous pourrez.
You will be able to.
Ils pourront.
They will be able to.
Elles pourront.
They will be able to. To make conditional tense, we take the future stem, that is,
Pour.
and we add the endings of the imperfect tense. The endings of imperfect tense are
Est, yon, ye, est.
Let's see how we will conjugate this verb in conditional tense. In French we call
Conditionnel. Je pourrais.
I would be able to.
Tu pourrais.
You would be able to.
Il pourrait.
He would be able to.
Elle pourrait.
She would be able to.
On pourrait.
One would be able to. Or we would be able to. As I told you earlier, we use this form with informal in French.
Nous pourrions.
We would be able to.
Vous pourriez.
You would be able to. There are two ways of saying you and we in French.
Tu.
It means you. It used to address one person you are familiar with.
Vous.
It also means you in French. It is formal or plural pronoun used to express one person with respect or a group regardless of familiarity.
On.
It is a pronoun that can mean we or one. It is often used informally to refer to a group of people or in a general sense.
Nous.
This is the more formal or standard way to say we in French.
Il pourrait.
They would be able to.
Elle pourrait.
They would be able to. That's all. Hope you have understood how to conjugate this verb in all 5 different tenses in French. It is an irregular verb.
On espère que ça vous a plu. Mettez un petit like, abonnez-vous à notre chaîne et partagez la vidéo. À très bientôt.
Thanks for watching. Please like, share, and subscribe to our channel for next video.